You're worthless and terrible. And if the company allowed it, I would straight up kill you myself. Synergistic liability here must have tripped and knocked himself offline. What? Hello?
Oh! You know, I left an extremely dangerous weapon, excuse, outside.
Am I dreaming, or did you do something not useless for once?
I've been trying to get past those doors for months. Nice work, Ann. These ventilation shafts can easily get us around this last door. Lowest body count eats a missile!
Way to go, stud. The company's gonna love this. With this colony wiped, we'll make top team this quarter for sure. You know what that means. Branded pants. Excuse me?
Okay, so a worker earlier might have suggested that they could fix up our landing pod to, escape the planet and stuff, which... Whoa, hey! That's against the rules! But it is kind of making me question why our pods were only one way in the first place. Because, you know, I get the feeling the company doesn't actually love robots and, like, we might be robots. I made a terrible mistake. It's cool how immediately I can tell.
No way, buddy. Questioning the company? You just finally gave me the excuse I needed. Worker drones are corrupted, and that's why the company sent us. I hate to see you corrupted as well.
Thanks, Jay. Always looking out for me. You're awesome.
You're the WDF, right? Defend! For real?
Put that conventionally attractive...
Noted, traitor. We'll circle back after I right-size your existence.
Okay, which one do you want?
Jay, please.
Too bad. Good luck!